Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Wheels. In this session, we are going to learn Theorem 6.5, which is for side angle side similarity criteria. Let's get started. This theorem states that if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Let's say we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF as shown in the diagram. And if one angle of triangle ABC, let's say angle A, is equal to one angle of triangle DEF, let's say angle D, and if the sides including these angles are proportional, that means sides including A are AB and AC, and sides including D are DE and DF. So what is given in triangle ABC and triangle DEF? Angle A is equal to angle D and ratio of the sides including these angles will be AB by D is equal to AC by DF. So this is given. And what we need to prove? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. To prove this, similar to theorem 6.3 and 6.4, we'll do the same construction. We'll draw line PQ such that AB is equal to DP and AC equals to DQ. Let's write the same in the construction. Cut DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC and join PQ. Let's take this as number 1 and let's start the proof here. Now, to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, just think, can we use theorems 6.3 or 6.4 which we learned previously? Yes, we have learned in theorem 6.3 angle similarity criteria, and in 6.4 we learned side similarity criteria, right? So, to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, we will make use of either of these theorems, either 6.3 or 6.4. Here, I will be using theorem 6.3, which is for angle similarity criteria, to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So, if we make corresponding angles of triangle ABC equal to triangle DEF, we can use angle similarity criteria and make these two triangles similar. Or if we make ratio of corresponding sides of triangle ABC and DEF equal, then by using SSS similarity criteria, we can make triangle ABC and DEF similar, right? Here I will use angle similarity criteria. Now to start the proof, you may recall how we proved theorem 6.3. In that we had proved triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. In theorem 6.5 also, we will first prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. In the same way we did it in previous theorems. So we'll get angles B and C of triangle ABC equal to angles P and Q of triangle DEF. And later on, we'll make line PQ parallel to side EF using converse of BPT. And then by using corresponding angles property, we'll make the relationship between angles BC of triangle ABC and angles EF of triangle DEF respectively, so that we can prove these two triangles similar. So the first step is to make triangle ABC and triangle DPQ congruent. So we can write in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. We know by construction AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. This is by construction. And angle A is equals to angle D. This is given, right? So by side angle side criteria, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. This is by SAS rule. Now, since triangle ABC and DPQ are congruent, we can use CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles, and make angle B is equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. This is by CPCT. Now see in the diagram, we have got angle B is equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. But what we want relation between angle B and angle E and relation between angle C and angle F. For that, we will use converse of BPT theorem. For that, we will use this ratio which is given. Let's write this. Now, AB by D is equals to AC by DF. This is given ratio. Now, to use the converse of BPT in triangle DEF, we want DP by P is equals to DQ by KF, right? And since by construction we know that AP equals to DP and AC equals to DQ, we can write DP in place of AB here and we can write DQ in place of AC here. So what we get? DP by D is equals to DQ by DF. This we got from construction, that is from 1. Now if you see this ratio in the diagram, in triangle DEF, we got dP by dE is equals to dQ by dF. This is ratio of the corresponding sides, right? So we can use converse of BPT theorem. So by converse of BPT, we can say PQ is parallel to EF by converse of BPT. Now, since PQ is parallel to EF, and if suppose this is a transversal, then this will be the corresponding angles, right? And these will be equal by corresponding angles. So in triangle DEF, we can write by corresponding angles, angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F by corresponding angles. Now if you take this equation as number 2 and this equation as number 3, from 2 and 3, angle B is equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. So here we proved angle B and angle C of triangle ABC are equal to angle E and F of triangle DEF respectively. So two angles of the triangles are equal here, and it is given that angle A is equals to angle D. That means the third angle is also equal. So by angle similarity criteria, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. We just proved this, right? Therefore, by angle similarity criteria, we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is what we had to prove, hence proved.